Welcome back everyone to another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how you can log out of your email on the iPad when you use Outlook. Now you should know that there are multiple ways how you can access Outlook on your iPad. It might be through the official built-in Apple Mail. It might be through the Outlook downloaded from the App Store or even a third-party mail client. And based on this, it's gonna depend what process we use, right? So let me just assume that at first you are using the built-in mail app. For this, you can open up the settings of your iPad, then head over to the apps section, find the mail, and click on accounts. And from the available accounts, you can just swipe left on them or click on it and then just delete it. And that's how you can just sign out or log out of this through the official Apple's mail app. And this is how we can remove the Outlook account, right? But besides that, you might have the official app from the Microsoft downloaded. And in this situation, it's also pretty simple, as all you really need to do is just click on the settings icon and you should have the ability to just click on your account and everything. And there you can also just manage it right away. So as I say, in the settings of the Outlook app, you can click on accounts, and in here you have the one account which is added. So you can click on edit or just tap on it directly and you can just remove an account by clicking on the red button, right? So that's kind of how it works. You can also just delete the whole app right away if you wish so, but that's how you can delete it. Also, if you have a third-party client like Spark Mail or anything else, the process is going to be likely similar where you just go inside the app and you just delete the account somewhere in the settings. So that's going to be about it. I hope I can help you with this. If you have more questions or thoughts, leave them below in the comments. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.